Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, grew up in this humble town. He was born in 1930 to a middle-class family. His father was a stockbroker and a member of Congress. Buffett was a precocious child who showed an early interest in business and investing. He started his first business at the age of 11, delivering newspapers. By the time he was a teenager, he was already investing in the stock market. After high school, Buffett went to the Wharton School of Business at the University of Pennsylvania, but he didn't feel challenged there. He transferred to the University of Nebraska and graduated at the age of 19. Buffett went on to study under the legendary value investor Benjamin Graham at Columbia Business School. Graham's approach to investing focused on finding undervalued companies and buying their stocks at a discount. Buffett absorbed Graham's teachings and used them to build his own investment strategy. He started a partnership in 1956 with $105,000, which he grew to $1.2 million in just 6 years. Buffett's strategy was to find undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and hold on to them for the long term. He avoided trendy stocks and focused on companies that had a proven track record of success. Over the years, Buffett continued to refine his investment strategy, and his wealth grew exponentially. He became known as the Oracle of Omaha for his prescient stock picks and his ability to predict market trends. Today, Warren Buffett is one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He's known for his philanthropy and his commitment to giving away his wealth to charitable causes. Warren Buffett's story is a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and a smart investment strategy. He went from rags to riches by following his passion and staying true to his values. And that's the story of how Warren Buffett went from rags to riches.